Hello, are you thinking about getting AC for your home here in Eagle County, Colorado? There's 5 things that you should know before you consider getting AC for your home. What type of air conditioning system your home needs. And to answer that question, we have to go down into the mechanical room. When you're making your way down to the mechanical room, pay close attention to see if you see any sheet metal like this. This is ductwork. This is going all over your home. And that tells me that we have a furnace here. So if you have a furnace like this right here, you'll probably be needing a traditional AC. What that means is many homes here have a furnace in place, but they don't have the cooling part. This is the cooling coil. If you don't have the cooling coil in place and you want to add AC, the only thing that we have to do is come into your home and rework the sheet metal, and then that's how you'll get cooling. When thinking about getting AC for your home, you're probably asking yourself, how long is it gonna last? A brand new AC system should last you between 15 to 20 years, and there's some factors that determine whether it lasts longer or less time than that, and it all comes down to the installation, making sure that the unit was installed properly by your HVAC contractor. In this case, for Eagle County, Colorado, we recommend to do a low ambient kit, low ambient control system for your condenser out here, because it's not uncommon to have your AC running when it's a little bit colder outside, and that's not ideal for these AC systems. So we add a crankcase heater. This is going to make sure that your oil in that compressor is always nice and warm. We also do a low ambient head pressure control. This thing is going to help the condenser think that it's in a hotter day by regulating the head pressure and the fan speed out here. And finally, we have a time delay. This is going to help to make sure that your compressor is not short cycling on and off, and that's how you can extend the life of your AC. Now let's talk about maintenance for your new traditional air conditioning system. It's really important to keep an eye on your return air filter to make sure that it stays nice and clean. As you can see, this is a brand new filter, and this is what happens when you neglect your filter. It's really important to keep these filters clean. Especially, I can tell that they have a lot of pets here, and it's a really dirty place where the furnace is at, so it's really important to make sure you keep up with your filter changes. Now when it comes time to do maintenance for your condenser, your outdoor unit for your AC system, it's really important to make sure to take any debris or plants away from the unit. This is to prevent the unit not working properly. This way it'll breathe right and it'll keep functioning for you just perfect. And finally, let's talk about price. What is the cost of adding AC to your home here in Eagle County, Colorado? A good starting point, you can expect to be paying around $12,000 for a simple installation. There's some factors that are going to determine if that price goes up. For example, if you want your HVAC contractor to take care of the electrical for you, the size and the type of the unit, as well as the indoor unit location, if it's in a crawl space or in an attic, all that determines the price. With that being said, it's important to get at least 3 quotes from HVAC contractors here around in Eagle County so you can get a sense of a fair price for your AC system.